Is Genusity too good to be true? Find out next. What's up, guys? It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video, I want to answer the question: is the Genusity home business opportunity too good to be true? All right. This video comes from me going through my comments, and somebody left one on my video saying, "Hey, man, Genusity sounds good, but it sounds a little too good to be true." Right? And my first thought was, the whole home business, working from home game must be all messed up if people look at Genusity as being too good to be true. In my opinion, it's just a legit business opportunity. Like, it's not like, I'm not down on Genusity at all. I'm just saying, like, for somebody to listen to what I be saying about Genusity and for them to get the conclusion, oh, I'm not going to do it, it's too good to be true. It's just like, I don't know. What makes Genusity not too good to be true, but just a good opportunity is the fact that it's simple. It's point blank period. You got opportunity to promote products, quality products that are easy to promote and easy to talk about, and you earn commissions on selling these products. You got products that are in billion-dollar industries, right? Um, and Genusity gives you the opportunity to promote these products. It's that easy. You know what I mean? It's almost like if you get a job as a realtor and you're in a neighborhood and they're like, every house is $5 million, right? And that's where that's where you're a realtor at. It's like, is that too good to be true? If you sell these houses, you get a commission. Your commission is going to be pretty nice. Is that too good to be true? No, it's just about, that would be a great opportunity to be able to sell $5 million homes. Just like Genusity, they offer you a home business opportunity that allows you to build a passive income, right? Now, another thing I want to touch on real quick is when it comes to too good to be true. I see, like, especially with people when they just get started, they associate home business with easy, with not having to do anything. And that is absolutely not the case. Granted, if you can get yourself to the point where you're bringing in a couple grand a month residually, even 5, 10 grand a month, great. You know what I mean? That's cool, but you have to put some effort in to get to that point. And with a lot of home businesses and a lot of people looking at these home businesses, they kind of get discouraged the first second the business, like, well, you got to promote. Well, you need to get some business cards. Well, you should do some, YouTube videos or create a blog or whatever. You know what I mean? It's like a home business, people forget, the business part of it. They just think about the home part where you chilling watching Family Feud or whatever. But yeah, guys, it's, when it comes to Genusity, I talk about it a lot because I'm part of it. I'm doing it. And it's exactly what I said it is. If you are looking for a home business, something that you can build a passive income, right? And if you want a business that can, you can actually feel proud to promote, and their products are top quality and they're really cool to promote, are advertising beacons and devices that anybody can use if you're in business, anybody. And then you got the CBD, the patch, and we got the liquids as well. So if that sounds too good to be true, then damn, I guess maybe it is. I don't know. But Genusity is very easy to get started with. You can actually become an associate right now for only $30 one-time fee, and then it's only $15 a month if you just want to promote the products, the proximity marketing devices, and the CBD products. You get a chance to promote both of those for only $15 a month. Now, I think I got it right here. Hold on. I got right here which I usually carry it with me whenever I leave the house. But this is a BB Sport. And actually, I can promote, advertise whatever business I want. I'm currently promoting the CBD products with this. So this is only $15 a month just to have this. So I'm running a whole full-blown home business for $30 a month, point blank, period. So if you want more information on that or got any questions about Genusity, if you still feel like it's too good to be true, well, actually it is a pretty cool business. I ain't gonna lie. They're the dog snoring. But anyway, if you got any questions, leave them below. Also, if you want to shoot me a text or a call, you can. My number is in the description of this video, so you can do that. And if you want to get started and you don't want to talk to me, there's a link in the description that you can actually get started with Genusity. Super cool business, guys. Is it too good to be true? I don't know. You see for yourself, but you can make a real passive income, and I encourage you to check it out. Till the next time. Peace. Hey, thanks for watching this video. I just got 3 quick questions for you. 1, if you had the opportunity to make a passive income month after month, would you? 2, if you can work whenever you want, from wherever you want, would you? And the 3rd question is, if you could have your own business in a billion-dollar industry, would you? If you answered yes to any of these questions, click the link in the description, and I'll talk to you soon.